Tlbox lets you generate a virtual Xbox controller inside TouchDesigner and control all your favorite games. First, download the zip file on my TouchDesigner page. Then, open the manual text. Click on the link to download and install the vgame bus driver. Once installed, restart your computer. Open TouchDesigner and go to the setting page. Make sure that the Python module path points to the site package folder of TouchDesigner. Then, save and quit. Go back to the project folder and copy both vgamepad files. Navigate to the site package files and paste both files here. You are now ready to use Tlbox. Drag and drop the docs file into a new TouchDesigner project. You should immediately hear the sound of a new connected device. You can now open Steam and go to Menu, Settings, Controller. Verify that your Xbox 360 controller is detected at the top. You can also open Test Controller to check that all inputs respond. You can now assign Tlbox buttons, sticks, and trigger to any parameters inside TouchDesigner, allowing you to play games using creative inputs such as visual gestures, sounds, or whatever you have in mind. Please note that certain games need to have their window in focus, and others don't. Also make sure your game is compatible with remote controllers. You can now save this tool to your palette and enjoy.